So I've just managed to use Midjourney to create 4 prompts or 4 descriptions from this image I drew many years ago. It's a new feature called Describe, and the way it works is you type in /describe and you get to upload an image. So if I choose something like this alien with headphones that I've used before, it actually produces information about the alien, which is pretty interesting. So then what happens if I take this image, this prompt here, hit imagine, and check that out. We've got some images which they don't look exactly like the image I uploaded, but they do have the same elements and the same kind of sort of subject matter. So it's a very cool feature for getting images you want to try and match. Maybe you've created some artwork in the past and you want to try and create some AI that is similar to that. You can upload those and kind of recreate them and use those prompts and then tweak from there. That is /describe. Very powerful new feature from Midjourney. Check that out. Have a bit of fun with it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time.